How to insert a drawstring and bolster rope in a few minutes. My bolster rope slipped to one side and it was hard to bring it back. This is the only tool I need. Bend it until you get desired shape. Pull the rope out first. Tie the end of the rope to the end of the hanger. Take the rope that was tied to the hanger and insert it into the rope hole. Then pull the end of the hanger out of the drawstring hole. Finish. Please click like button, share it and subscribe to my channel.